Testing of Hyundai HGN20 air circuit breaker. The basic settings were set by the request of the customer. For testing, we added 220 volt AC power supply. At first, we tripped the breaker manually. Then, we tripped the breaker with the help of the UVT. Next, we perform a short time delay test and the breaker trips almost instantly. And finally, we perform a long time delay test and the breaker trips after about 60 seconds. It is now clear that the air circuit breaker is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.